Hello my flourishing friends, I hope y'all doing fine and are up for some crafting today with glitter. Right. I'm very excited. Today we're gonna do some nice... Actually, I have to see how I called the ones I did for Halloween. Yeah, I did those little cards for Halloween as well. Anyways, it's gonna be 3 different kinds of cards that you can just include into a letter or put it up the wall or just pin it to your photo wall or something. You have so many occasions where you can use them. Yeah, let's dive in. Oh, we agreed on saying floating in, right? So for today's video, I have here 3 astronauts with me and some glitter. Just a side note, while I was trying to put the glitter in this little Ziploc bag, I accidentally dropped the pot, and now everything here in this room is glittery. I think it took me 15 minutes alone to clear my desk. We're gonna see about the rest. I'm for sure gonna glitter all day long. Yeah, let's start. I already pre-cut everything, so I have it easier. I'm gonna do this one last. This is actually not good. So guys, I'm now more than halfway through my video and realized that my camera turned off. I am so sorry. You basically missed how I did the first card completely. I have no footage of that at all. I hope you're okay by me just showing it to you, and I'm deeply sorry. Really guys, super sorry. I just began the second card, and yeah, we're just gonna continue. Basically just 10 minutes I was sitting there talking to myself with no camera running. I'm sorry, but I'm still learning, so yeah. So okay, there we go. This is the first card I made. Yeah, I just glued a paper strip here, put some of the glitter washi there, put the sticker here, drew with my silver pen some planets and a big one here that says I'd catch the moon for you. Yeah, so that's the first one. I'm going to put that aside. And then I began the second one, which has also the paper strip, the washi tape, and another sticker here, which we are now going to continue to craft. Yay! With the camera hopefully running. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, let me double check if my camera is running. Yeah, it's still running. This card is gonna say ground control to Major Tom, like the famous song. And how we're gonna do this is I'm just gonna spell it out, then make it look like a little speech bubble, and then we continue from there. Okay, I spelled it out now. I ditched the idea of the speech bubble actually, and gonna continue decorating the background of it with notes and stars and little dots here and there. There we go. I really like it. To the next card. Okay, camera, bear with me. This one I actually cut out a card and then cut out a little frame in the middle. And like I already told you, I filled a little Ziploc bag with glitter. And I have here another sticker. What we're gonna do is on the back side, you can see how I cut it out. On the back side, I'm gonna glue the Ziploc bag just with normal clear tape. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna get back to you. Like this, so the little bag stays in place. Now we can turn it around. And you can see we actually created a little shaker pocket. Oh, I see the glitter is coming out of the bag again. No! Yeah, literally glitter everywhere. What we're gonna do, take the silver pen and draw a little frame around the card. Yes, I really have a thing for frames. Must be a childhood damage. There we are. And now I'm gonna put some dots and stars like I did with the other cards. And then I'm gonna do the same as I already did at the previous card. I got here white cord. By the way, if you don't want to buy white cord just for a project, we all have dental floss in our home, most of us at least, so you can also use that. Just if you just need a strap like this, just use dental floss. Yeah, I just want to let you know those ideas, because most of the time you don't even get the idea of using different stuff than craft supplies, but you can actually do that, and it's yeah, good for when you have to craft on a dime but still want to do something decent. So just use Denmark floss. Yes, I know it's a bit thinner like this, but it's still gonna give the same effect. So our little astronaut is gonna live here. Actually, that just sounded like Bob Ross. Yeah, he's gonna live here like a happy little tree. And the cord is gonna be behind him. I'm gonna glue it somewhere here. I don't know yet. And also disappear behind this side of the frame again. So let me glue that real quick, and then maybe it explains better what I mean. So just stick it in here and in the other side. Then when you turn it around, you can just glue it here with clear tape, and don't forget to cut the excess off, like so. Now our little astronaut can move in his spot. There we are. That's already it. I'm gonna leave that one as it is because the glitter is take all of the attention, and I really like the look. So let's get the brothers and sisters. Oh, I love them so much. It's such a cool collection, and they each work as themselves, but also all three together. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked our little journey to space. I can't wait to craft more with you. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.